Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. All right, before I show you guys the dried results of the amazing blue painting I did last video, just a quick reminder, you're watching this on Tuesday, May 6th. I'm literally going to be flying to Washington and I'm gonna be there May 6th. June 6th, in a month, exactly a month. And I'm going to be there getting ready for the lakeside retreat, all-inclusive retreat happening in Spokane in Washington, June 6th to 9th. Did you hear that? If you heard that rumbling noise, that is one of my neighbors with a Ford Mustang convertible that has an exhaust that is absolutely ridiculous, just ridiculous. It scares the bejeebers out of the entire neighborhood. And we made complaints to the City of London and they do nothing about it. I don't know how that's not a noise issue, but anyways, back to what I was talking about. That's so distracting. My gosh, I hate that man and his car. Yes, I do. Anyways, back to what I was saying. Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th, all-inclusive lakeside retreat. All you got to do is get there. They will pick you up from the airport, take you to the cabins where you're going to be staying overnight by the lake. There's classes with me. You get 4 classes with me. You get breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks. Fireside chats in the evening, alcohol, drinks, you name it, it's there. Right now, Sarah Taylor is there for her retreat. After her, she's been posting like these pictures and I'm like, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to get there. I'm so excited to get there and teach. I have 2 spots left, just 2 spots. So it's 12 people in total and I have 10 spots already booked. So there's only 2 spots left. It's small, it's intimate, it's gonna be fun. Link to the website in the description below my video. And then I'm going to be in Niagara Falls, Saturday, July 19th. If you want to come and see me in Niagara Falls, 1 day, 3 classes. You can pick all 3, you can pick 1, you can pick 2, pick however many you want. Head on over from the US, just cross the border over at the Buffalo Bridge and come and see me in Niagara Falls. So if you want information for that, email me at kanellaciraco@gmail.com. Come on. Really now? Really? This one's my favorite. This one is my absolute favorite one so far of this series. It dried perfectly. It's got the shimmer. It does. Look at that. It's perfect. Who's messaging me? No, never mind. Not important. But yeah, look at that. So this is a 14 by 14. Still needs a top coat of crystal resin. And if you are interested, you know what to do. Email me. All right. So in the last video, I told you guys about the Loli Veffy Mega Mother's Day sale. You guys went and bought that thing so fast. It sold out so quickly that the owner, Loli Veffy, created a second kit with medium-sized turtles and a 16-inch round. And that kit right now, Monday, it's Monday. You're watching this Tuesday, but there's still some available. So try your luck. You might still get one available. But those are seriously, it's a good sale. It's a 50% off sale on the kit. But go to the website and see if it's still available. All right, so let's get started. 14 by 14 inch, keeping the same size for this whole entire series because I want everything to match. I want the size to match. I want the composition to match. The only thing that's going to be different is the colors. So the color for the base is olive green deep. Olive green deep. And it is, where is it? Right here. It's opaque. Okay, so I didn't bother to do my sides. However, I did add a little bit of oxide black in here. I wanted to darken it up a little bit and make it a little more smoky green. So I did add a little bit of black to that, okay? The colors I am using today, which I just had a thought. I love my pearl cream by Arteza, but I got a lot of pearls in here. Let me just start with what I've got. I've got burnt umber by Amsterdam. Then I've got warm gray by Amsterdam. Then I have pearl olive green by Arteza. Then I have antique bronze by DecoArt. And then topping it off, this is my own made up color that I did. I can't even remember what colors it is, but I did do a video making this color. I don't remember what video number it is. If I remember, I'll put it in the description. I don't know, but it's a made up color, okay? Now I'm thinking I can add pearl cream maybe in here or here. No, I think I'm gonna add it here. Pearl cream by Arteza, and once again, I'm running low. But I got a lot of pearls in here. So that's a pearl, and that's a pearl. And oh goodness gracious, they're all side by side. I try not to do that. If you've taken my classes in person, I always like to alternate a regular color. These are regulars, these are shimmery metallics. I always like to, you know, break it up. Maybe I'll do that. That way we've got a regular, a metallic, a regular, metallic, metallic, regular. I never, ever, ever end on a metallic. Never. Always a regular color. Okay, so, okay, that's what I'm going to do. And we'll see how it works out. Notice I didn't put any 24 karat gold in here. Why? Because the pearl olive green has a gold shimmer to it. Can you see that? So that's why I did not add 24K in this one. So let's see what happens. And if you want to know how I mix my paints, the base and the colors for different brands, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. That is a full tutorial on how I mix my paints. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, canvas flooded, bubbles popped, and I'm mad at myself because I totally forgot to do something. I forgot to spray the bottom of my canvas, the back of my canvas with water. Sometimes when you buy canvases from Michael's, they're not tight. And see, like, I mean, that was pretty dumb. As I was saying, they're not tight. And when you spray some water on them, and you know, you let it dry, it gets really tight. And I totally forgot to do that before I started my video and started recording. And as I was spreading the paint, I could tell it was kind of dipping in the center. So I'm really hoping that this isn't going to be a problem for this painting when I'm done. I'm hoping nothing pools into the center after I'm done blowing this out. Oh my gosh, my hands are just filthy. Filthy. Okay, it is what it is. Let's just do it and see what happens. All right, so burnt umber. This actually reminds me of the painting I recently did, the camel one. So it's basically camel, the camel painting I did, but I used the warm gray as the base. And this time I'm using green as a base. So it'll be kind of like the opposite and matchy actually. It'd be pretty cool actually to put them side by side when this one dries to see how they look. I see a doggy here. All right, warm gray. So, I mean, it's May. I cannot believe it is May. The kids have 2 months of school left. That's it. 2 months of school and they're already done. I mean, my goodness. and I have trips coming up. I've got Washington coming up. I've got Niagara Falls workshop coming up. You know, there's summers coming up, so there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on. Oh, this needed to be shooketh. Oh, okay, there we go. It had some, I just mixed some of this. Oh, shoot. That's DecoArt. You know what I say about DecoArt? Go light-handed. Sugar. Sugar. I totally did not go light-handed on the DecoArt. This is not my day. I should go and not paint. I should just walk away. What is wrong today? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Today's not my day. I went heavy on the DecoArt. Oh, Kanella. See? It even happens to me, you guys. I laugh and I you know, joke in my classes when I do in-person classes, and I tell people go light-handed and they forget and they don't. And I totally forgot to go light-handed. It's probably because I never used this color ever before, you know, in a long time, and I just forgot. But it is what it is. Look, it's already taking over. Darn it. Let's just blow it out. What I wish was that I didn't put this made up concoction color on the top. I kind of wanted it to be darker. I mean, I could have put the actual olive green deep, or I could have put Van Dyke brown. I could have done Van Dyke brown too. Now, I like the colors. It's a little on the light side for me, but first off, the blowout, perfect. Nailed it. Nailed it. But I gotta fix this because I do not like that straight line that's happening there. So I'm gonna just kind of blow that out and fix that. Just like that. Super simple, super easy. I'm not gonna touch anything else on here. I think the pearl cream is a little much. I mean, it's pretty. You know what I could have done? Well, I couldn't because I have none left. I would have done Antique Copper by Folk Art, but I don't have any more. And I don't even know if I can get it at Michael's anymore. I'm gonna have to go over to Michael's and see if I can get it. But I loved this color, and there was nothing left, so that's why I couldn't use it in this painting. But this would have been stunning in here, but I don't have any more. So that kind of didn't work now, did it? Oh my gosh, the cells that are popping up. There's more and more cells popping up as I'm jibber-jabbering over here. Okay, well, I love it. I wanted it to be a little darker though. The light green here, I don't know, maybe it'll dry darker though. Not maybe, it will dry darker. Get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to fix my edges. I'm gonna bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. The more I look at this, the more I love it. I mean, I always tell you guys, before you scrape anything, give it 5 minutes, see if it grows on you. I mean, I'm loving this now. The cells that have come out are just amazing. Take your stick, scrape those drips, scrape, 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 all 4 sides. Come back 10 minutes later, give it another scrape. I mean, I can't wait to see this dry because there's actually a lot of shimmer in this. The pearl cream, the DecoArt, the Arteza olive color. I mean, there's a lot happening in here. It's definitely a creamy, I'm gonna call it like a creamy color palette. It's kind of pretty. I'm really loving it now. I think a little more Van Dyke brown would have been nice, but I'm loving it the way it is though too. Well, let's turn the lights off and check it out with the shimmer. All right, so we've got the flash on, and this thing's just gonna shine throughout. I mean, completely shine throughout. So I cannot wait. See, it looks like there's gold there, but I didn't have any 24 karat gold. It was that Arteza color. It has gold in it, which is beautiful. And that's why I didn't want to put the 24K in. I just thought it would be gold overkill for sure. See, you can see gold there. So much shimmer. I cannot wait for this one to dry and show you guys. Love it. See, there's a little brown there. More brown would have been nice. And there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you think about it in the comments below. It's available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you know what to do. Email me. Check out the description below for information to the 2 workshops that I am going to be doing soon. Like I mentioned at the beginning, Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th, and Niagara Falls, July 19th. That's it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.